Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to get your BMO account statement online. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website. Then sign in with your card number or username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper left part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Bank Services. On this page, you will see a section for Statements. Under Statements is an option for View Statements and Trade Confirmations. Click on View Statements and Trade Confirmations. Now, select an account from which you wish to get your statement. Then the list of statements will appear. Click on the particular statement you wish to view. And now you will be able to view your statement. That's how you get your BMO account statement online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.